Hello! Today we're gonna make two bags like this. One is for your daily needs and the other one is for the forgiveness of your sin. Like you talked about in your class, you can ask God every day to give you those things. So let's get started. So today what you need is scissors, a few papers, whatever color you like, and some glue. And we're gonna fold basically this bag. At the end you can rewind and then you can make your second bag because we need two bags. So what you first do is you're gonna make a little fold here. It's like 2 centimeters. It can be very tiny. And with the glue, you're gonna put some here. And you fold it in the middle like this and glue it on top of each other. And you can fold this also very tightly. Now we're gonna start with the bottom of the bag. And you're gonna be also doing a little line like you did before, like this. Then you open that bag, and this is maybe a little bit hard, but your parents can help you. You have to open it, and then you have to make a triangle like this here, and fold that neatly. And on the other side too. So what we're now gonna do is we put this one just over the middle, like this. And this one we're gonna put also just a little bit over the middle, but we're gonna put some glue here and here so it glues on top of each other. And it's gonna look something like this. So now you get your bag and you open your bag. Be careful. And now we have to make the sides like this. So then you fold this side until this little fold here where you glued it. You have to fold it like this and keep that straight. As well on the other side. Now we're gonna open the bag. And you now see 3 folds here. So this middle fold is upside down. We should put that like this, a little bit inside, and the other two, the outer two, need to stick out. So like this. And we also have to do that on the other side. This other side is a little bit harder because you glued here and it's 2 layers of paper. So now you have a bag, but we still need to make a little thing to hold it. So you get your other paper. And we're gonna cut this paper in long rectangles. I think you need 4 in total to make it long enough. So I think you all did this in school before, but I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. We're gonna glue this tip to the other paper like this. And you're gonna turn it around, and then you're gonna fold it over each other. One, and then the other, and then the other, until you finished all of the paper. And now that you're at the end, you need to glue on both of these papers the other two to make it a longer string. Here like this, and then I'm gonna glue here also. And then you're going to continue what we were doing. And when you're at the end, you're going to put some glue to close it. Like this. And then you have your string. So before you attach the string, we're gonna write on one of the bags daily needs, and on the other one we're gonna write forgiveness of sins. So you can kind of fold it back to a flat position so it's easier to write on it. So now you have both, and you can decorate this however you want. You can draw some bread maybe on this one, or some water that you need to drink every day. And on here you can maybe put some flowers, whatever you want. I'm gonna put a cross behind here. So now we're gonna attach the holder of the bag like this. So you put some glue here. And then you put some glue on the other side. So now that you have your bags, we obviously have to put something in the bag. So we're gonna make little cards with the paper that you have left. And on those little cards, on one half we're gonna write our daily needs, and on the other one we're gonna write things that we did wrong, our sin. So I'm gonna start with the things we do wrong. For example, I watched something that was not good, and I'm gonna write down that I did that, and I'm gonna put it in my forgiveness of sin bag. Another one could be lying. And another can be that you didn't listen to your parents when they told you to do something, which is called disobedient. So I'm gonna write that down too. And in the other bag, I'm gonna write things like, what does God give me every day? For example, food. He gives me love. That can be also through your parents or your siblings. and he gives the church, so and now the virtual church, so we can all see each other. So these ones I'm gonna put in my daily needs bag, and my sin I'm gonna put in the forgiveness of my sin bag. And so now you have your 2 bags with everything you need for today. That was it for today. God bless you, and I hope to see you next week. Bye!